Do you ever get bored with your daily routine? We've got you covered. Check out our satisfying videos of workers doing their jobs perfectly to give you a 40-minute break from the monotony. We guarantee this compilation will leave you feeling energized and help you see your own work from a new angle. And while we're getting the lineup ready for you, you can show us some love by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the bell. The moment when a world champion Tetris player is behind the wheel. I hope you are ready to see the most perfect line you have ever witnessed. Now look at what this pro can do in just a matter of seconds. Of this craft, this man can handle several feet of showcased glass without even breaking a sweat. I don't understand how this level of mastery is even possible. All it takes is two skilled professionals and a stick to move tons of cement from a barge. The talent of this artist is something you just have to see to believe. Now they are drawn by this talented person, leaves me speechless. Leave a like if you agree. This hedge trimmer knows how to make their work spectacular and enjoyable for others. This painter is skilled at wax polishing plaster to achieve an unparalleled effect. Thanks to this rug washer, Tweety will finally see the world again. This is how one genius mows a multi-ton vessel. Such impressive work with hot metal is only possible under the close supervision of a pro. Why didn't I know earlier that clay modeling could be so nice? This might cause you to start doubting whether the seasons are what changed nature's colors, because it might be this man's hard work. Experience the incredible skill of slicing cucumbers so thin that they're see-through. This is so nice to watch that it makes you want to put this video on a loop. Look how this woman gives it her all to make the walls look flawless. And now enjoy the process of a geotextile pipe being destroyed. Beautiful. This is what a master-level poultry debonair looks like. Don't try this at home. I'm getting a real kick out of this process. I don't think this fence could be cut more perfectly. This method for replacing damaged tile is truly brilliant. Watching the video, it's almost like these workers are dancing with each other in perfect synchronicity. This man's engineering skills amazed me personally. That's all, folks. Don't forget to tell us what you thought in the comments. Which of today's employees deserves the title of the best? As always, subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss the new ones we put out. See you soon!